So to import or reuse of fusion composition in DaVinci Resolve without any black screen problems, you have to first go on the Edit tab, then you have to go on the Effects, then going on the Toolbox, going down you will find Effects again, then you will find Fusion Composition there. Then you have to simply drag and drop Fusion Composition to your timeline. Then you have to simply click that Fusion Composition. Then you have to go on the Fusion tab in DaVinci Resolve. You have to go on the top. After going on File, you have to slide down to Import. Then you have to slide to the right and find Fusion Composition there. Then you have to simply import Fusion Composition. That will open the desired location where you have saved your Fusion Composition before. So to use that Fusion Composition, you have to simply click on that like this, and this is how we reuse our Fusion Composition or import our Fusion Composition in DaVinci Resolve. I hope this video will help you guys.